Hello everyone, my name is Ty Campbell. This assignment is a short presentation of a business research proposal for my doctorate program at Trident University. This business research proposal is using the premise of the fictional security company called Monarch Security Services, or MSS, opening a branch office from the US to the fictional oil company Mediterranean Petroleum, or MP, in the island country of Malta. So we present the case of why MSS should open a branch office on Malta and why the time is right to do it now. MP is expanding their plant and seeks a new company to handle their physical security. Research is backed by that done by Euro company foundations. This helps us to justify the importance of us doing it now. Our goals are simple and clear. We can maintain good control of the branch to keep it cost effective, improve our brand, access a new market, and look at European tax benefits. We've developed two key research questions, and one is the cost of licensing and certifying MSS to open in Malta, and the next is deals with the personnel costs to operate the location. At the crux of the issue are the literature review topics, and these topics must be addressed or we cannot move forward. Topic one is opening a physical security branch in Malta from America, and the second is successfully managing this office in terms of equipment and personnel. An MSS transitional qualitative research team must be created. They will conduct the interviews to obtain the physical primary data to answer the research questions. Interviews will be primarily done by telephone and will follow the methods of interpretist, epistemology, and constructionist ontology. They will include getting needed answers from key people. They'll find those who can give us needed existing documents and those who can provide cultural artifacts as well as data. There'll be many more steps for us to take, for us and our employees, to run this business successfully on foreign soil. Now, how this line of research will help MSS and who will benefit, the goal is to create a single team to handle the methodology that will prevent the repetition of many steps. This will be a tightly organized team that will become more organized and cohesive. And lastly, using a single team leader that will oversee the team and communicate with MSS upper management and stakeholders. Well, that's it. I want to thank you for your kind attention. We're confident that the proposed research conducted will answer all the questions needed to move our company forward. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to field them now.